Okay, guys, so you're welcome once again on this platform. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to fix TeraBox Black Screen problem. So if you're facing this problem, then I think this is a little issue that I think you can fix on your own. And let me teach you, or let me pass you through how to fix it. So if you're having this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone menu, and after that, what you have to do next is to just scroll through your menu and find your settings app. So let's try to find our settings app, and I think it might be around this place. Okay, so settings is going to be around the S section. So as you can see, this is my settings app. So when you find it, just tap on it. After clicking on it, what you have to do is to scroll when you get to your settings and search for apps and notification. When you find the apps and notification, just tap on it. After tapping on it, you have to wait for it to load for some while, and you're going to see all apps. Just tap on the see all apps, and it's going to load as you can see on the screen. And what you have to do is to search for the TeraBox app over here. So you just scroll to the T section. As you can see, it has been arranged alphabetically. So let's scroll. So TeraBox is going to be around this place. Yeah, so this is it. It has 264 megabytes. So just tap on it when you find it. So after tapping on it, you're going to be at this section. So what you have to first do is to tap on notification. You make sure the notification is turned on. Yes, it's very important. After that, you go back, then you tap on the force stop. Then you're going to see this pop up. Just tap on OK. Don't worry, anything is not going to happen. Do you get what I'm saying? So after that, you have to check the permissions whether all are allowed. So as you can see, allowed and denied. So as you can see, the allowed, it means we have allowed camera, we have allowed contact, and also we've allowed the storage. So what you have to do is to go back. If yours is also denied, you have to allow all, because it's very necessary. So after that, what you have to do next is to tap on the storage and cache. So after tapping the storage and cache, what you have to do is to tap on the clear cache. Then after that, you tap on clear, you know, storage. But let me tell you something over here. Let me tap on the console. Let me tell you something. You have to clear the cache. After that, you restart it, and you have to make sure it have been updated. When it's still facing the same problem, what you have to do is to just forget about it and clear the storage. And I think some of your files and other things may get deleted. So what you have to do is, before tapping on OK, you have to move all from one of your device to maybe a pen drive, or maybe an SD card, or a different device that you have, in a spare device that you have, so that it can fix the problem successfully for you. So as you can see, I don't have anything. I don't save on my TeraBox, yeah, because I have a lot of pen drives. Do you get me? So let's tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, you just move back and make sure the mobile data and Wi-Fi is toggled on. So as you can see, it's off over here, which is really bad. So let's toggle it on. So after target it on, just unrestricted data usage, just leave it like that. After that, you go back, then you go to your phone menu again. Yeah, let's get to your phone menu. I'm using a Maya. So what you have to do is to just search for your Google Play Store. So this is the Play Store app. Just tap on it when you find it. After that, tap on, or you have to first search the TeraBox in the search engine of Play Store. After that, you tap on the TeraBox when you find it, and as you can see, mine is not yet updated, and it have been already updated already, and you have to tap on the update to get it download and also reinstall on your device successfully. So you tap on update, then you wait. As you can see, it's pending. I have not turned on my data. This is just a scenario. I just want you guys to understand I'm trying to fix this problem for you. So you wait from pending to downloading, and you can see it will move from 0 to 100, and after that it's going to install on your device successfully for you. So after doing this, just tap on your power button for some seconds